Hey guys, Dark Envy Overland here. Today's video I'm going to show you how to install a Barricade HD Adventure front bumper on a 2021 Jeep JLU. Pretty simple, on and off. Got some tweaks in there that held me up and maybe it won't you. So watch the video and tell me what you think. Like, subscribe. So step one would be to take the snap clips out of the splash guard. There's 6 here, and then we have 2 right here. Flathead screwdriver is all you need. That's what they look like. Pretty simple. After you take the snap clips out of the splash guard, go to the underside. You got a roll of snap clips back down here, and then 2 8mm bolts here and here to take out. After you pull that last bolt out, everything should just come straight off. Watch out, because you may still have rocks hung up in there. After removing the bottom splash guard, there is 6 more clips on the back side of the bumper on the JL. Just pop them off and release the back side. Next step will be disconnect the fog lights. Next step is to remove the 2 16mm bolts off the skid plate. Push up, and it'll come right off. Then after that, you have 4 18mm bolts that we're gonna have to get off on the back side here to remove the bumper. Might take a little wiggling, but you can get it off. All right, after you take the bumper off, your wiring harness is here, got a little snap clip. You take both of those off. Then you got to take all of these bolts out, separate it, and take your factory lights out. So that's what we're fixing to do. So this is going to be a little tricky, but what you want to do is on the bottom, you have to separate those hooks out to split it apart. See right here? It's gonna hang up on you every time. You wiggle the crap out of it, it'll eventually pop out. Next step, start taking your wiring harness clips off, feeding it all back out to put it back in the new JL. The older JKs had two separate wiring harnesses that came straight up. The JL here has one that feeds in and then's a splitter, so you only have one wiring harness. You can just change it back over to the new one. All right, next day, I got so frustrated trying to get the brackets mounted, because you have to have tiny baby hands on the back side. It's a horrible design. Ended up somehow, with the grace of God, getting these on with washers. These bolts flip upside down, hold them, and then just hit them with a little impact, get them tight. Still got to do one more over here. This side, I thought about it, and instead of fighting for an hour just to get these two bolts and nuts, I just drilled these out just a little bit and put self-tappers in there, and that sucker right there is on there. So not saying that's how you do it, that's how I did it, and within 5 minutes I'm already working my way back to installing the bumper. And instead of getting so frustrated at these mounting brackets, so just for y'all that may run into the same problem, don't even waste your time, self-tap them and just keep moving with the fog light install. So we got the fog lights mounted. Already done the driver's side. Put these brackets in behind the mounting plate. Use the plastic washers. They help you grab it to keep it in place. Sometimes they won't go. Just push them and thread them. Helps you keep that whenever you mount the bumper, to at least hold it so it don't fall back off. Just like that. Next step will be to mount these 4 bolts through the frame of the Jeep to the mounting bracket on the front. Bolt it up, run your wiring harness, plug everything in, zip tie it, put the splash guard and the skid plate. So got my buddy Overram here to help us pick it up, slide it on. Just make sure when you insert the bracket that has the bolt that comes back through, you got a little adjustment there. Put one on, then the other, Make sure they are straight south. Feel your way up there, make sure it's grabbing, put it on, snug it up. We left the inside brackets on, the stock brackets. We just loosened it up a little bit so we had some play. Overall, it went on pretty good. Next, we are going to wire fog lights back in with the harness, put the splash guard, skid plate on, and then install the winch. So there we go.